Good morning, class. Good morning, class. Today we are looking at economy. Economy. What is economy? Economy is divided into three parts. We have one part, E. We have econ. In economy you must be conned. You must be conned. That's why unasikianga tax imeenda juu, mkate umeongezwa, mafuta imeongezwa bei. You must be conned. You must be conned. That's why unasikianga vitu zikiongezwa, watu wanasema oh my goodness. Vitu zimeenda juu. Oh my goodness. Economy imepanda. Oh my goodness. Kenya kutakarika. That is economy. You must be conned. And useme oh my. Now, we are looking today, tunasoma bottom up economy. What is bottom up economy? Hii imesubua watu sana. Bottom up economy. Bottom up economy. Yani, let me illustrate with the cup. Najua mnatumia kikombe, hii lazima muelewe. Bottom up economy. Yani bottom up. Unaona? I hope we are getting bottom up economy. This is where bottom inakuja juu. Yani economy ya chini inakuja juu. This is bottom up economy. And whoever said bottom up economy is working from home, please, class prefect, class prefect mulete kwa staff room. I want to see her. Bottom up economy is not working from home. How can you say that? How can you confuse Kenyans? How can you confuse Kenyans? Now class, I hope you have got what is bottom up economy. This is the best part of economy. Yani bottom inakuja juu. Now class, I'm giving you homework. Homework. And this must be brought to by tomorrow, 8 a.m. in my office. What is trickle down economy? Homework. And then ufanye research. Class prefect, vitabu ziwe kwa staff room, kwa meza yangu 8 a.m. Na whoever atafanya hii research akuje na mzazi. Trickle down economy hii, and then ufanye research. Please, vitabu 8 a.m. kesho in the office. Thank you. Class prefect, majina ya noise makers nipatia as we go. Majina noise makers nipatia. Yes, let's meet tomorrow in the morning. Sir, thank you.